Good afternoon, my dear friends. Here we are at my workbench. So I've got some resin figures I'm working on. Got to put some maps on that guy's map. So he's holding a map, that fella. I've got some photo etch. Got slings and stuff. But we got some new stuff come in the mail. So I woke up and there was a package. So we've got the M3A1 Half Track by Dragon. This is a stunning kit. Really got a good price for it. About $80, usually $110. That's Australian dollars. You can check out what that translates to on Google. You got your usual advertising there showing off the kit, but it's a really cool kit. Also got the ICM MG World War One version, also used in World War Two for garrison units and shit like that. I got this for 20. Usually it's 25. ICM stuff's super expensive, but high quality. So I got that to go with this kit here, because I want to do a little curl and thingy with these guys, with this Masterbox kit. I've got a little soft spot for the Curland series, the Curland part of history. That YouTuber Tick did a series on Curland, and I watched the whole thing. I really liked that series a lot. And after I watched it, I got this Masterbox Curland thing. So I've been waiting to get that MG for a while now. So waiting for it to be either in stock, but at the right price. I wanted to get it on special. So, and I also got some new resin figures as well, which is exciting. But this Dragon kit looks amazing. The instructions are like a mile long, because you got all the different variants. So that's quite large for Dragon. Usually they're not that big. So let's have a look at what's inside. So let's get out the sprues. Okay, so we've got this strange sprue here. I'm not exactly sure what that are. It's some kind of part of the body. But yeah, odd. So what we'll do is we'll put them in there. Now, as advertised on the box, you get some really nice weaponry. The KAR, I think that's called. The Thompson submachine gun. That looks really cool, doesn't it? And it's all, see, you got that little bulge on the sprue. Everything's, all the gun barrels have got a little hole at the end. Well, that's advertised. Yeah, they do. Awesome. And then you've got your just your standard rifles there. You've got to put in the breech and all that. And then you've got just ammunition clips. A whole heap of little ammunition clips. That's really cool. And yeah, you've got ammunition, all that kind of stuff for those. Really nice sprue. You got some cartridges there, spare cartridges. Yeah, really nice sprue. Really nice. That's a very nice sprue. It makes me want to get the American infantry weapon set from Mini Art now. So and then we've got this part here. I really like the detail on it. I'm really sort of looking at this going, yeah, I want to build it. And I think look at that shovel. The picks and everything, it looks amazing. Very impressive indeed. Very, very, very impressive. Let's have a look at the inside of those doors. Yeah, so we've got a few things we just need to fix up here. Injection pin marks. That's all a part of the process. Getting them out of the molds. Amazing. And now we've got, by the looks of it, we've got the chassis, which is really long. It's a full chassis. They've included the transmission on it. Yeah, so you got half the transmission already molded in. The radiator looks pretty good for a plastic mold. I like that. And everything looks good. These leaf springs are impressive. And I don't think they're an easy thing to mold. That engine's going to come up nice. And look at the muffler, I really like that. Like, I'm getting goosebumps at the moment. This is fan-bloody-tastic. So they had advertised on the box they molded those, but you can do the photo etch ones. They're mines or something. And then you've got seating, which is amazing. Dragon seating is always really nice. Oh, I'm so glad I got this. Everything in it is beautiful. I can't see anything that's bad. And seeing it's a newer kit too, because I've only really done older ones by Dragon. I did that one. That was a really old one. Yeah, that one. Really good. It came up really good, but it was really old. And I also did one, the flame wagon or whatever, for the half track, German half track. That was interesting. It was a really good one. So they're the ones you can make the mines, and you can just make them photo etch in there. You've got the things to put them in, but it's got a really nice photo etch parts for that, which I'll do. Then we get these two sprues, which are stuck together, so you get two of the same. Really nice 50 cal, of course. So see, you got the bulge there, so they're coming out. Then you got the 30 cal, two 30 cals. I really like the 50 cal though. Nice weapon. Really nice shovels and tools, and you get two. So you'll get a spare 50 cal, spare radio, a couple spare 30 cals. They had to make the 50 cal because they were putting the 30 cal in the early aeroplanes, weren't they? The American aeroplanes, and they were just too weak or something. So this is another double sprue, and this has got a really interesting new way of doing the tracks. So you just, you just stick them to the wheels. It's just heaps cool. Really looking forward to seeing how that comes up. Yeah, so just two halves, and you just boom, put them together over the wheels, and then just stick it on. So with the Meng Panther, I just did that. I made them like that. See what I mean? But with this new, so they're like that. They're solid. They boot up, and I can just put them back on. But with this one, it looks like that's how it's been molded. You know what I mean? So you can do that easy. Really nice seating, some nice wheel thingy. But that's really nice, I like that. The front wheels are beautiful. I'm going to make this a really nice model. So yeah, you get two of those. And that's even really nice too, isn't it? Those jerry cans. Sprue of note. But yeah, they've all been really nice sprues. And yeah, we just got some more siding. Just the superstructure, bit of armour. They'll be really good to weather up those, won't they? Put heaps of chipping on them. And that's that cupola thing. There's a really big photo etch set, aftermarket photo etch set for this kit as well. So I'm considering getting that. But I don't think it's needed because I don't think you need to. The moulding is so nice. Like, look at that piece. Like the amount of thought that went into that. Well done, Dragon. Well done, engineers down at Dragon. See, look at that metal. I've got goosebumps. So nice. You will need to, there's a little bit of, but that's covered, that'll be covered. Nothing there. You won't see that. That one's good, like look at that one. They've done really well. What's that? Oh, something, it's, don't know. Oh, that's the pedestal for the 50 cal. Interesting way of doing it. Then we've got some cool little accessories. So we've got an amazing decals. Dragon decals, these cartograph ones are second to none. The only ones that have come close are the mini art ones. Cartograph made in Italy. Awesome. And you get this one as well, which is a whole heap of numbers and letters in white. So it's basically the whole alphabet, but you get certain ones more than others. A couple of USAs and some triangles. This is your photo etch. Not a heap, and most of it's for the mines. You get little windscreen wipers that I'm terrible at installing. My first attempt at it didn't go well. You get your windscreen, of course, and you get some lights with that as well. Then you get these super cool wheels. God knows what they did to mould these, but they're in their own little separate baggies. But yeah, look at the detail on them and how thin they are. This is a strange little part. Don't know what that is, but that's been put in separately. That's just string. Thanks, Dragon. And a little tiny little bit of chain. Like, yeah, good one, guys. Thank you for the tiny little bit of chain. So that's the Dragon M3 kit. Really good, isn't it? Like, the moulding is amazing. Now this is the machine gun. So you don't get a heap of stuff, but you see it's quite an intense little build. A lot of steps. You get an extra machine gun, handheld one. You can put that up against your shoulder, shoot away. Crazy people in World War I, crazy Germans. And you've got two ways you can make it. You can put it in the prone position or the sitting position. I see them been putting these in their boxes. And so here we got this is that extra machine gun plus